NCERT Class 8th Chapter 1 Topic 1.3 Representing Rational Numbers on Number Line. We start with natural numbers. So natural number start from 1, then we make equal spaces and go on putting the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and we go on, and this extends up to infinitely on right side, and there is no number on the left side of 1. The whole numbers start with 0, then with equal space we can go on putting the numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes on up to infinity on right side of the number line, and there is no number on the left of 0 in whole numbers. But in integers we have on the mid of the number line 0, and on right side of it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinity, and on left side of it is -1, -2, -3, -4 and it goes up to infinity on left side as well. What we observe in all these three number lines, there is no number in between 1 and 2 or 2 and 3 or 3 and 4, either in natural number line or whole number line or integer number line. There is no number in between 1 and 2 or 2 and 3, and in integers no numbers in between -1 and -2, -2 and -3 and so on. Now we go to rational numbers. So it also extends up to infinity on both sides of 0, and we find there is number in between 0 and 1, 1 and 2. If we make two parts in between 0 and 1, then one part is 1 upon 2, and if we make two parts in between 1 and 2, then the midpoint of 1 and 2 is 3 upon 2. Similarly, if we go on the left side, then we have -1, and in between -1 and 0, if we make two parts of it, then the midpoint is -1 upon 2. Similarly, if we go further left, it is -2, then in between -1 and -2 there is -3 upon 2, and we can have the number line like this, which consists of rational numbers, and it also extends to both sides of 0 up to infinity. Now if we have to have 1 upon 3 to be represented in number line, what we do? We make three parts in between 0 and 1, and all three these equal parts, the first part is 1 upon 3, and the second part is 2 upon 3, and third part is 3 upon 3, which is also 1, and then further we go, this is 4 upon 3, then 5 upon 3, this is 6 upon 3, which is 2, and so on. Also on left side we make three parts in between 0 and -1. So first part is -1 upon 3, second part is -2 upon 3, and third part is -3 upon 3, which is -1, and we go on as -4 upon 3, -5 upon 3, -6 upon 3 is -2. Now if we want to have more rational numbers, then we divide it like this. If we want to have, say, 5 rational numbers in between 0 and 1 or 0 and -1, then we divide the space between 0 and 1 in 5 parts. So first part is your 1 upon 5, second part is 2 upon 5, third part is 3 upon 5, fourth part is 4 upon 5, and fifth part is 5 upon 5, which is 1. Similarly, on left side of it is -1 upon 5, -2 upon 5, -3 upon 5, -4 upon 5, and -5 upon 5, which is -1. If we have to have 8 parts, then what we do, the first part is we make 8 equal parts in between 0 and 1, and the first part is 1 upon 8, second part is 2 upon 8, third part is 3 upon 8, fourth part is 4 upon 8, fifth part is 5 upon 8, 6 upon 8, then 7 upon 8, and 8 upon 8 is 1. Similarly, we go on the negative side, -1 upon 8, -2 upon 8, -3 upon 8, -4 upon 8, -5 upon 8, -6 upon 8, -7 upon 8, and -8 upon 8 is -1. Now, if we have to have 10 parts, so we make 0. If we want to have 10 parts in between 0 and 1, so we make the 10 equal parts in between 0 and 1, and we give the numbers like this: 1 upon 10, then 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10, 5 upon 10, 6 upon 10, 7 upon 10, 8 upon 10, 9 upon 10, and 10 upon 10 is 1. Similarly, we can go on the negative side. The first part is -1 upon 10, the second part is -2 upon 10, the third part is -3 upon 10, the fourth part is -4 upon 10, the fifth part is -5 upon 10, sixth part is -6 upon 10, seventh part is -7 upon 10, eighth part is -8 upon 10, ninth part is -9 upon 10, and 10th part is -10 upon 10, which is -1. Similarly, we can have more rational numbers in between 0 and 1, or 0 and -1, or -1 and -2, or 1 and 2, and so on. This way we represent the rational numbers on number line. Now, one more example. If we want to have more numbers in between 0 and 1 upon 10, then what we write, we make 1 upon 10 by multiplying 10 to numerator and 10 to denominator, it becomes 10 upon 100. And we divide this space in between 0 and 1 upon 10 in, say, 10 parts. Then each part will be, we give the number as, this will be 1 upon 100, then this will be 2 upon 100, this will be 3 upon 100, then 4 upon 100, then 5 upon 100, 6 upon 100, 7 upon 100, 8 upon 100, 9 upon 100, and 10 upon 100, which is 1 upon 10. Then next will be 11 upon 100, 12 upon 100, and so on. This way we represent the rational number on number line. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.